So what if I told you you've been refreshing your hair the wrong way? What if I told you you've been doing a lot of mistakes when refreshing your hair while in a protective style? And I know you want to find out the right way I moisturize my hair. Oh, don't mind me. I know you want to see how I keep my hair refreshed, right? Now watch this video to the end. Do not go anywhere. Now this is my hair. This is the second week while in a protective style. This is how my hair is. So I'm going to section my hair into two parts. Now here is dry. I don't know if you can see. It's not like my hair is dry, like dry, but I just want to add in little moisture to it because dry hair breaks. So I want to add in a little moisture to this. But as you can, I don't know if you can see my hands. My hands are, I don't know, it feels moisturized, so my hair is not dry, like dry. But you see my ends. I want to add in something to it. So the first thing I'll be moving in is my water. Water is the first thing you need to add in your hair when you want to refresh. Now in here I have my warm water, and I'll be spraying it on my hair. Okay, I've seen people make mistake while moisturizing their hair. What do you do when you are moisturizing your hair? You are applying too much water on your hair. You are applying too much water on your hair, making it wet. You don't need to make your hair to be wet, right? So the first thing you do is just to spray your water and then squeezing the water into your hair strands. Damp. Don't apply that water on a wet hair. Just apply your water, squeezing like so, right? Because why you don't need to apply too much water to your hair while refreshing it is this. One, it will make you to have hydro fatigue, like it will make the root to swell up, the root of your hair, right? It will swell up. So all you just need to do is to add in that little water to your hair strands. Now after squeezing it in, right, you will now move in with your leave-in conditioner. And today I'm using this leave-in conditioner. This is not my favorite, but I have it in my stash and then I'm using it. Now let me tell you the mistake you are doing when you are moisturizing your hair. You always use too much products on your hair. Baby girl, do not add in too much product on your hair. And also make sure that when you put in your leave-in conditioner or any product you are using, make sure you emulsify it like I'm doing, right? Now see, I'm also squeezing it in. Remember that your ends are the oldest part of your hair, and if you do not get the right way, if you do not moisturize it, if you do not add product to the ends of your hair, you find out that it will be breaking easily, right? Now you don't need to forget the ends of your hair. I'm using my cream. The method I'm using to moisturize my hair is the LOC method. As you can see, I'm working from the tip of my hair to the roots. Do you know the best thing you can do to your hair is to just fall in love with your hair? Because if you do not love your hair, I promise you, you will not want to do anything to your hair. Like me, I was neglecting my hair, but I was retaining length, but I was neglecting it. I don't use any products. All I'm after is just to care for my daughter's hair. But 2025, I just decided to take care of my hair because my hair needs that love, right? It's part of my body and it needs that love. So you can see, I don't know if you can see any difference from this. Can you see any difference? Is it showing? Now I'm going my oil. You don't need to add in too much, just little. Little goes a long way. Too much product, applying too much product on your hair will make you to have product buildup, right? So do not apply too much product on your hair while refreshing it, while moisturizing it. Just take it easy with your products. Guys, this is the part that I've refreshed, as you can see, right? This side is well moisturized, like refreshed, and here is nothing, like I've not applied anything. It's a little bit dry, but not too dry. Remember I said I'm refreshing my hair, right? Now I'm going to do what I just did here to this side, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done moisturizing. Just a quick one. It did not even take me too much time to do this, and you can see my hair is refreshed and I'm ready to go. I always leave my protective style for 2 weeks. Like I wash my hair in a month, 2 times in a month, right? Now for this hairstyle, I'll be taking it down very soon because it's due for wash day. I'm making a video how to wash your hair in a protective style, the right way I use, the technique I use on how to wash my hair in a protective style. I'm showing to you guys. Now my hair is all moisturized. You can see, I think it's better than before, right? It's better than before. Now do not forget that dry hair breaks easily, so all you have to do is just to make sure you refresh your hair while in a protective style, and do not forget to tuck in your ends because they break easily. So make sure you tuck in the ends of your hair. And I've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something in today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and share my video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, to share my video, to follow, to like, to subscribe. See you guys on another one. Bye.